Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discover Boss, and we're here with another driving video. So we're starting out this video right here at the Dunrobin Total gas station, and we're going up Kingston Spring Road. What we're going to take a quick look on is a ongoing construction that we would have done previous videos on. So we're going to take a look on the progress of the work. So if you're new to the channel, guys, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. It's the easiest way to support the channel. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. So Kingston Spring Road now 4 lanes. That's helped with traffic significantly, but you know there's still traffic here and there in peak hours. So the development that we're gonna cover today, it's a mega supermarket along with other retail shops. In the comments I'll put the link for a drone video that I would have done on the complex, so you guys can see it from an aerial standpoint as well. So we are basically there. Alright, so it's right beside Furniture Land. Not sure if we can see Furniture Land over there, which is Carmen's Collection, and Furniture Land 112 Kingston Spring Road. Alright, so let's show you the development now so you guys can see the progress of the work. Alright, so the property is at 106 Kingston Spring Road. So the billboard says retail shops available for lease. So they have elevator, open floor plan generator, basement parking, rooftop dining, entertainment area. And again, I'll put the link for the drone video in the comments so you guys can see a previous video I did from an aerial standpoint. just a quick glimpse of the development. You know, without the drone you won't be able to see much. But we're back on the road. We're just gonna drive a little bit more up Kingston Spring Road. Probably a turn back and head to Halfway Tree direction. And then we basically end the video there. So I can leave your comments. I see mainly shops that they're advertising, but someone stated that there's gonna be a mega supermarket there as well. So in due time we'll find out. But I think that's a well needed or a well planned out development, because before that it was just a, you know, a big empty lot that was there forever and ever. So well thought out and needed development for that empty lot. So we have the Oaklands on the right, Oakland Apartments. We have the Oakland Commercial Center. I did a video on the Oaklands before. I did a entire tour of the complex. I'll also put that video link in the comments. So if you guys have never been to the Oaklands, then you can use that opportunity to take a tour. So in front of us is the Richie B Texaco. Gonna go over there and then do a U-turn and head back to Halfway Tree direction. I know the sun may be in the camera right now, so my apologies for that. Again, guys, remember to like. The more likes the video gets, the more YouTube push it to non-subscribers, so that persons can be introduced to the channel. So like up the video. This is Oaklands. Once more on the left, a very big complex. You know, from the outside it may not look that big, but it's a whole community by itself. You know, it's not just a, you know, you can see apartment complex, you can see the townhouses, but it's not just an apartment or a townhouse complex, it's a whole community. Very, very big space to have. The drone video for the Oakland so you guys can see. And then we have the development coming up once more on the left right here. So you see the billboard saying, you know, retail shops available. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, thanks for your support, thanks for commenting, thanks for all you do. Really appreciate it guys, and I'll see you on another video.